So I have my washing machine motor out. I'm trying to figure out why it won't run in the machine. I just bought a new capacitor, but it still won't run. So I have it outside the machine, and I rigged up this cord. So I'm going to plug it in, and then I'm going to twist this with my hand to get it going. And then it seems to be running really powerfully and smooth. So I don't know if that means it's good or what the deal is. Because even with the new capacitor, it wouldn't start, wouldn't run at all in the washing machine. But it runs like a champ here, it looks like.